Lenge kamsa tarin kinyin to siga pepa dingi lenge sangol ulka su shigi tarin kinyin dun dinang la lenge nganzo dung chigi thoni inji jangai ki thapshi chigi thia nganzo channel thola dinge lenge ki nyin dun de thuk tang chawre ra shi nganzo jinna thangbo inji lokde ki dung lopchen thangbo ni shiba che ni ngarang ge chamjo ro tende ro ni chine thuk tang chare ra di changma ki nyin dun nganzo dung thoni inji jangai ki nyin dun yor ra di ki playlist chi nganzo channel thola ni so share lenge so gi ni del icard link sha bo description na lenge so lenge link sha Nyendung digi jela dung thoni kisi di nyendung yaku thongore jina nyendung shemba dinzo yanchik sirona shue ra laswani tharing ki dung dingan zo khari chubai na NCERT lokdep jinda thangbo yorwa digi lop tsenga pa circle le di chagdu circle le di pe dung thung tung le lao nyomnang king marerwan hinge sugi nyendung shemba do muthuni sirona shue ra chikni jingi pen tho re samgudra Laso lingan kisi lingi so taringi lopse di jik kendo ba ina nyin tu muthi ni sirona tingin la kisi lingi so nandu channel tol tema thangbo pejo ngi tongba taring geja du show di tema thangbo thongjo logic chagdina kamsang nyeming la kizom sigiyong anju tinda dakba pyoge thoni inji jang gi thapshi chigi yore nyin tu ni gyunero sa dawa da purbu chido chuze shidi chege tol nganju channel tol nyin tu sawa sawa ligi yore lingi so nganju channel tol subscribe nang yu imbada pyoge thoni inji jang de ba pyoge shingi roji bayina injing on channel to subscribe na share ra and denyam do lingi so mangbujing on channel to la pe yindung si ani subscribe na thamba je wa do je chagi yusar ra ani thinde do ji na ta thanda tenso do ji chini subscribe na share ra la so lingi ani yindung go chugi so linge namgyun nang shi nge linge su chu dung dang chik chige changma dewa sha che ngara lokdap ne tag tag chini an nga jin dong go chu gi ndarwa la so dung gi ming la nge kong du shu ne shi circle la na chidang ne nga chu kor kor la la yor ra circle so the circle la du si thangbo de la sa si ni bo de la ka le li do circle ne di si la khadu si la go yo ba de si la khadu ka la go yo par la je ra ti ki nyen dung de nga channel thori yor de ra din nyen lenge so pe pen tho re sam ge do yin chik siru na ra nyen dung de gi jela I card link sha go description nang le sha ra la so an go chu winda circle. One day Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. The Mohini la phomojik to ani grandmother morangi momo la nga mini chacha swara ani dung de go khande chuk sung na one day Mohini was sitting was leading on helping verb the past tense ra song jang dung de changma past tense na let's us ra helping verb thangbo ding on chachik thangbo de kharile wa ina dung changma tinde roshna yo ba rojik thang on khyap go ra leso One day Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. Nimachik Mohini la phomochung jung jiore momorangi momonyamdola deshim res wa de res ani khachito grandmother drew a circle. Drew la de draw thiba ki de chigre wa drew ani momo ki kharichire mo lagi circle gogo jik thiwa res ani can you draw a circle Mohini and Mohini like a kharichire kiranke korbor chhe to ser well ni keja thires the double inverted comma na dora double inverted comma thing aju mi chi keja shigyu chima jishin ji pha la hoina aju double inverted comma na lugrewa laso yes I can Mohini ki khalere o nga thituki yes I can nga thituki yes ra soon Mohini drew a circle ani lamsang kharichire Mohini ki circle chik thire soon na nyurpu yokpo leder ra lamsang lede laso Now I will draw a ball. Ra ani momo gi kharilare tangi gi ball chik thiginda poli chik thiginda ra grandmother drew 3 lines on the circle. Tangi gogo thigyo chi ra gogo thigyo de na momo la gi kharichirle na ta line sum thiwres drew le dwara line sum thick sum thiwres ani Mohini drew 3 lines on her circle. Her ledi morang ledi chawor ra objective pronoun ra and Mohini gi kharichire morangi ya Morangi thangi circle thigyo che rathina la line sum thibares and karchito it really looked like a ball ani circle dina line sum thisa ni kharichire dingone khora ball do jik remove ball do jik chares ball do jik thiores ra now let's draw a balloon na gambur ra ta kharlar lena ta nganju gi balloon jik thibos gambu jik thibolar ra grandmother added a zigzag line to the circle ta khari chirlena more like circle digangla zigzag line la tu nganju namgi chida ni thik khap tu ro ra zigzag la tu pha chunga ju tu skyo gu do z yo ra nganju alphabet letter z yo ra thinde do zigzag tubers nang lo la balloon circle gi nang lo la. Oh, it really looked like a balloon. Dita ngunne korangi kambudo thongu da le ra ani Mohini clapped with joy. Mohini ki kata or chera lakwa dab ris kata chuni lakwa dab dingone kore balloon do thongi do le ra and karshido. Mohini drew many circles. Ta Mohini ki shugu gana circle pe mangbutia go zugre circle pe mangbutires gogo pe mangbutires khanditido big and small circles. Red, blue, green, and yellow circles. Circle chimbo, chung chung. Chunda colorful dam in your rock, kashes blue, kashes green, kashes red, kashes yellow, tinde in your circle pe mambuti race. She also added zigzag lines to these. These lena tenzo la and muki digang circle tenzo kan tande kharit lena zigzag line tinde yama kyokyo do your ra tinde mambu pe race. Now there were many balloons. And now there were many balloons. Ta kharchere kampupe mangu tishayore lejer and khaledo. Can you draw something else with a circle? Ta momogi kharikeje tilena asked grandmother. Ta momogi kharikeje tilena kirangita circle gogo chiginyam dole shimbarimbu kharitidusare shimbarimbu tidusare ni pageje tireswa else lena shimbale de chayra. Lasso, takarledo. Yes, said Mohini. Mohini ki kharlera nga tidusare le rata kharitire. She drew a wheel, a moon, a sun, a rabbit, and her own face. The mogi circle chiki nanglo khari thiware na wheel na khorlo chikthi manzo tawa yo nam gi tawa chikthi nima chikthi rabbit ribbon chikthi and morangi her own face morangi tongde chikthi re ra ta di khari chikna circle chiki nanglo nga khari thi thu re le je circle chiki help chine rokwa circle ki rokwa letta ni nga khari thi thu re le je ra and megi shemba ni ge sangma thi re ra. Okay, ngancha ki dung tha tirang re ba songsang yel dingin la lengsol shi so ra dung thung pe re le thaw yor la so ra. Okay, dung ki thanda do chik dus chinche tangi ge leng so che do dung di changma chik logi in the right thing is on the logai chengi screen gal dung di shai in the right circle. One day Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. Grandmother drew a circle. Can you draw a circle, Mohini? Yes, I can. Soon Mohini drew Soon Mohini drew a circle. Now I will draw a ball. Grandmother drew 3 lines on the circle. Mohini drew 3 lines on her circle. It really looked like a balloon. Now let's draw. Okay, it really looked like a ball. Now let's draw a balloon. Grandmother added a zigzag line to the circle. Oh, it really looked like a balloon. Mohini clapped with joy. Mohini drew many circles, big and small circles, red, blue, green, and yellow circles. She also added zigzag line to these. And now there were many balloons. Can you draw something else with a circle? Asked grandmother. Yes, said Mohini. She drew a wheel, a moon, a sun, a rabbit, and her own face. Let's do reading the two stories. Tanganzuki, dung the nang la tiwani to the right of the langi tiwani, the language such as the screen car share, language so gitanganzu dung that's her dung lo sari dungi tenda that's her 6 machine yobache, language so gi dungi lane the manzuki chengi section, comment section and lane tia gitapshi chair in the ra. Let's dung tiwa tangbo the career. What did grandmother and Mohini draw first? Grandmother, Momo de dang Mohini Kurani get tangbo karitiwa re. What did leni helping verb the past tense na look chadwa songzang thamadela draw leni di kharchire first form of verb chajigi ngo thangburang le share ro draw sheba chajigi ngo ni pa past tense de drew re ro songzang di ngajigi thanang chi wa che thangbo de la Mohini da momulagi thangbo kharchire so what did they draw first? Last the lane the tiache tibani badela what were the colors of the balloon that Mohini drew? Right. The mohini ki remote thiyo ki chunda yorwa chunda khari myo ki thisung esra di len di lenge so ki khengo ortara di thibani ki len ni di lenge so ki comment section na thiache and di nyam do kharing ki lokche tungtung lamsang sa di dustro ji lenge so khashi chi nyindu ring ma thawa do ji na yapu dusung sra ani ngi ki dus chi tharing ki nyindu de dustro ji laso lingi ani nyindu dus chi ngi ki jamsha gi lenge so nyindu di tiba de sikshu yo ji na ngi ki nying thakwan karin challenge ye ra len de ge chen ki section na le inject thiru na shwe ra laso ani ma phe nge la lenge so ngi ki Instagram ki khajang de la chi shagi ra lenge so phagi le ngi ki phege to ne inji ja ga dan tin de ro ji ga ngi nyindu da part ki lu ti ge lenge so Instagram phe na ngi yin ba ina ngi ki profile la chi zero na shwe ra ani ya bu du na wa do ina follow na shwe ra laso lenge ani dus chin chawi dinyo ngi ki dung de ki khashis ngi de wala lenge so she do la shago ra Chisirona and Lingus of Sangma Chapuchin Shiro na Jaman Yintu na Lingus of Captain Jagger, what she